Ingredients for quinoa bowl. 1. 1 cup quinoa. 2. 2 cups water or vegetable broth. 3. 1 chicken breast, grilled or roasted, or 1 fillet of salmon, optional. 4. 1 avocado, sliced. 5. 1 cup steamed or roasted vegetables, for example, broccoli, sweet potato, spinach. 6. 1/4 cup hummus or tahini sauce. 7. Olive oil. 8. Salt and pepper to taste. 9. Fresh herbs, like parsley or cilantro, for garnish. 10. Lemon juice, optional. Instructions. 1. Cook the quinoa. Rinse quinoa under cold water. In a medium pot, add quinoa and water, or broth. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes until the quinoa is tender and the water is absorbed. Fluff the quinoa with a fork and set it aside. 2. Prepare the protein. While the quinoa is cooking, grill or roast the chicken breast. Season with olive oil, salt, and pepper until cooked through. Alternatively, cook the salmon in a pan with a bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper until it's golden and flaky. Slice the cooked chicken or fish. 3. Prepare the vegetables. Steam or roast your choice of vegetables. Common options include broccoli, sweet potatoes, spinach, or bell peppers. 4. Assemble the bowl. In a large bowl, start with a base of cooked quinoa. Add the sliced chicken or salmon on top, along with the steamed or roasted vegetables, avocado slices, and a spoonful of hummus or tahini sauce. 5. Finish and garnish. Drizzle a little olive oil and lemon juice over the bowl. Sprinkle with fresh herbs and add salt and pepper to taste. Enjoy your delicious and healthy quinoa bowl.